Udhampur Superfast Express leaving from Bhatapara. Yeah. Okay. Okay. No, they. Travel, darkna, customer.